Oh my god. Everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is MaLeah, and today I'm back with another video. Okay, and as you guys can see from the title of this video, we are going to be trying the Patrick Starr one size beauty product. Yeah, so as you guys can see, I'm actually like late to the bandwagon. I had these products in my possession for a couple weeks, but I just haven't used them yet, so I decided why not put it on camera for you guys. Okay, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. So these are the two products. I actually bought 3 products from his line. I bought the eyeliner. I skipped the palette because it was too many neutral colors, and I have a million neutral color palettes, so I didn't pick that up. But I did pick up his eyeliner, which I have tried, but I don't have it on today. And I picked up these 2 products. So I picked up the Go Off makeup remover wipe. So this comes with 10 wipes, and it was $8. I got the smaller pack because I like to go with the smaller size first, and then if I like it, I'll just go ahead and pick up a big size next time. So yeah, I got the smaller size. It's $8 for 10 wipes, which is not that bad. I don't think that that's that bad, especially if they're super big. From what I've seen like on his promo videos, they're like huge. So basically what it says is the Go Off Juiciest Makeup Remover Wipes. So because size matter, our giant super saturated wipes remove even the most stubborn makeup with one juicy wipe. For the ultimate makeup removal experience, to pair with Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist and follow up with a daily cleaner. And it is vegan. He did say this was like made for like drag queens, because you know they have to layer and layer and layer and layer on like so much makeup. So this is what he originally like created these makeup wipes for. So it's supposed to be like a game changer. So we're gonna like put that to the test today. And then the next thing that I got was the Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist. Oh, sorry, let me give you guys a close-up of what the packaging looks like. It's just like a regular makeup white package. It's red, it's pretty, it's cute. So moving on, the One Size Beauty Makeup Dissolving Mist, and this is 2 ounces. So I paid $18 for this little 2-ounce mist. So the back says the epic continuous mist that dissolves makeup on contact. Infused with calming jojoba, brightening rose hip oil, makeup is removed without leaving skin feeling dry or tight. Our concentrated water-free formula creates a no drip feeling. Creates a no drip super sleek surface for the ultimate makeup removal. So spray 8 to 10 inches away from face until evenly coated, and then massage into skin and gently wipe off. To remove your full face of makeup, pair with Go Off Juiciest Makeup Wipe Remover. So that's what we're gonna do today. So we're gonna put this baby to the test to see if it really does work. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. And let's go ahead and like take some of our hair out of our face. So I got a clip right here. This is the only clip that I can find. So the first thing I'm gonna have to do is, of course, remove my lashes. Let's just take those right off. And I'm gonna put them back in the packaging that they came in, okay? Because they are reusable. And these lashes are from MaLeah J Beauty. I'll put the link down in the description box below if you guys are interested. If this stuff works, it's gonna be a game changer, because like I have to go through like 30 makeup wipes. Seriously go through like so many makeup wipes to take off my makeup. So we're gonna see, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and use the Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist for our hair out of our face. I'm gonna shake it up a little bit. It says 8 to 10. I think this should be good enough. So I'm gonna close my eyes. And this is what my makeup is looking like before, y'all. So let's really see if it like comes off, you know? So let's see. I don't know why I'm scared. Like, why am I scared? That's so weird. Like, what? All right. I'm really gonna do it this time. Oh my god. And it's like you don't even feel it on your face. It's literally like a mist. My makeup is literally already coming off. Wow. That's crazy. Okay, so now let me go ahead and grab a makeup wipe, because this is like dripping. And this is how, wow, I wasn't expecting it to be this big. Like, that thing just dropped out, and I'm just like, wow. Okay, so this is a really huge. It is a really huge. It's actually bigger than I expected. And it smells like any other makeup wipe. It literally does. What I'm gonna do with this spray is go over my eye a little bit more. In those areas. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take the wipe. So you guys see. Go ahead. I'm gonna do this side first. What? You guys, it's coming literally right off. Oh my gosh, it's coming right off. Wow. And then there's still more like non-use spaces of the wipe that I can still use to clean my face. And it has a greasy feeling to it. Yeah, it has a really greasy feeling to it. Yeah, it feels like oily. It's definitely not like a water base. It's not water, like, I don't know, it has an oily feel to it, which is probably why the makeup just melts off your face like that. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see like that on my hands. Like you could definitely see like the oiliness of it on my hands, but shit. If it's gonna take my makeup off this quick, like your makeup literally comes off within seconds, like literally comes off within seconds. And this wipe is huge, so it does come in handy. So what I'm gonna do now is spray a little bit of this like on a clean part of the wipe, just to get like around my eye area, so I'm not like going blind. Make sure I get all that, like, cause that's the problem. When I have a big problem, like when I wear mascara and stuff, like that crap will not come off. So I'll be sitting there with mascara all over my eyes and crap, like for like, I don't even know how long. Like that's like my problem child. Alright you guys, within like not even a minute all my makeup is off my face. Like within like 30 seconds all my makeup is off my face. Like I don't know why I thought that the dissolving mist was gonna be more like a molecular water kind of, like maybe like a soapy, I don't know why I thought that, but I thought it was gonna be like more of a watery soapy kind of product, but it's actually like oily, which I like, you can definitely tell that there's jojoba oil in it, which probably makes it way easier. Like your skin feels hydrated and the oil helps to melt, the jojoba oil helps to melt the makeup off your face. So I actually probably will, I'm gonna definitely be using this like all the time, because this is actually was a great idea, like a dissolving mist. Like you don't have to get your hands dirty or anything, you guys. You just spray it and then just take a makeup wipe and just wipe it off. Like, so I think this was like bomb. If this lasts for a long time, like it'll definitely be worth the money, because I think $18 for a 2-ounce spray is a little bit on the more pricier side, but if it lasts for a while, it definitely will be worth the money in my opinion. So I definitely will be like using this all the time, because like your makeup literally melts off of your face within a second. You wipe it off. Like, so I really like this product. As far as the wipes, I think it's up to the buyer. Like it is really big, so you're only gonna need this particular wipe to wipe down your makeup. I don't know how it works without the spray. So is this one wipe really gonna take off everything? I can go ahead and do that for you guys in the future if you want to know, but this wipe is huge. So this is like 2 or 3 makeup wipes in one. Yeah, regular makeup wipes, they don't come this big. So I personally will definitely continue to use these both. I don't wear makeup all the time, so this will probably last me, if it's 10 wipes in here, it'll last me 10 more times. It's probably gonna be like, I mean 9 more times. It's probably gonna be like another month or 2, because I do not wear makeup. Like I wear makeup every few weeks. So yeah, this is would be fine for me, but I probably would get the bigger pack next time. You don't have to have this. You can use a regular makeup wipe. You're probably just gonna go through, end up going through more wipes. So I won't say that you necessarily need this, because it's just a regular makeup wipe. It's just bigger. But I definitely think that you guys should get your hands on this, because this is like a game changer. Like your makeup literally melts off of your face. So yeah, those are pretty much my final thoughts on the one size products from Patrick Starr. Yeah, I love Patrick Starr. I've been watching him since I don't even know how long, so I was just really excited to try these products, and I think both of these products are really great. Let me know if you guys have tried these products, or if you like the products, like what do you think about them. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and also hit the subscribe button before you leave my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.